When will they be here?
According to Colin, in 5 minutes. I found her on Instagram. Let me see. That's her.
Oh. She's pretty. Take a look. Finally.
Hey everyone, I want you all to meet my girlfriend Lexi.
Hi, Lexi. I'm Aiden.
Hi, Aiden. Nice to meet you.
I'm Colin's mother.
I'm so happy to finally meet you. Colin has told me great things about you.
I don't mean to be rude, but is all of your family this tall?
Well, both of my parents are shorter than me, but my grandpa was very tall, so I guess I get the tall gene from him.
What a shame. You're so unlucky. Can't even imagine how upsetting it must have been for our parents to realize that you are gonna be this tall.
Wow.
No, actually, I kinda like being tall, and my parents are okay with it too, so.
Okay, Lexi, this is my dad and my sister Jody.
Nice to meet you.
So, why don't we go eat? Otherwise, food will get cold.
Of course.
So, Lexi, what do you think about yesterday's game?
Dad.
Yesterday's game?
You didn't watch it?
Sorry, watch what?
The game, WNBA, women's basketball. Lexi Hill was playing. I assumed you were named after her.
I was born 2 years before her, so how could have my parents named me after her?
But you know her. So you play basketball, don't you?
No, I don't. You're just not the first person to bring her up to me.
I see. Aren't your parents disappointed that you don't want to become a basketball player?
They're actually quite supportive of my life decisions.
So, are you a model or something?
No, I'm training to become a paramedic.
You missed a good opportunity. With your height, you could have been a model. If you weren't so fat, of course.
Guys, can you stop? You're embarrassing me. I brought Lexi because I was so excited to finally introduce her to you. She's kind, smart, beautiful. She's the best girlfriend a guy could ever ask for. And that's why I wanted to propose. I love you so much, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Colin, honey, let's not make any hasty decisions. Are you sure you want to marry her?
It's not hasty. I've been planning this for months.
But imagine you get married. How would your wedding pictures look like? She's like a head taller than you. I'm sure everyone would laugh. And what if you decide having kids and you have a daughter and she turns out to be a giraffe too? Imagine how difficult her life would be.
Mom, how can you even say all of this? You always taught me to be kind. And now you and Dad and Jody are the only reason why Lexi's life is hard.
How dare you talk to me like that? You know I just want what's best for you. This girl clearly isn't. Honey, I'm sure you can find someone better. Someone more like your sister.
What is wrong?
I love Colin more than anyone else. I was so excited to come and meet you all guys. Since Colin told me so many great things about each and every one of you. I really hoped you could be my second family. But now I understand that you're not nearly as accepting as Colin made you out to be. That you won't accept me into the family simply because of how I look. I'm sorry, Colin. I love you so much. But I can't be part of a family that will bully me for the rest of my life.
Lexi, I want you to be my family. And if the rest of my family cannot accept it, then they are not my family anymore.
Don't do this.
None of you are perfect. Mom, you told me you were bullied in school because you had crooked teeth. Dad, I remember you having panic attacks when I was a kid. And Jody, you always pretend to be so perfect, but it took you 10 times to pass your driving test. You know what? You all think that Lexi doesn't deserve to be a part of our family. But actually, none of you deserve to be considered her family, because you are all hypocrites. So what do you say? Will you make me the happiest man alive and start a family with me?
Yes, yes.
I'm so sorry for everything. What happened?
I left my phone at your parents' place.
Don't worry. We're gonna get it back. Let's go.
Call emergency, Jody. Emergency, Jody. Breathe.
Can you breathe normally? Does it hurt?
Oh, baby. For a moment, I thought we were gonna lose you.
But Lexi saved me.
She did. Do you still think she should have been a model?
Sorry for what I said earlier.
Lexi, you just saved my daughter's life. I'm never gonna be able to repay you.
I was just doing my job.
You know, for a moment, I thought that because of my foolishness, I might lose 2 of my kids today. I was angry at you at first for taking Colin away, but then I realized it's us who were pushing him away. I guess seeing you so confident with all your imperfections made me feel very insecure.
So you want me to forget it?
What do you mean?
The bullying. I know you're only trying to apologize because I saved your daughter. And you feel guilty about being mean
That's
to me.
not true.
Really? So why weren't you nice to me earlier today? You were constantly shaming me for being tall. You made it perfectly clear you don't want me in your family. And you know what? I don't want to be a part of it anyway.
Lexi, wait.
I'm sorry. I cannot be with a family who will mock me for something I cannot change. And you have to choose whether you want to be with me or stay with your family.
My parents gave me life. They were helpful and supportive while I was growing up. Because of my family, I was able to pursue my dream and go to the university I wanted to.
You're staying with us.
I really wish I could, but I saw how you treated the love of my life today, and I didn't recognize my family. The family I love and that behavior. The only person who showed kindness today was Lexi. So I'm choosing to create a new family with her.
Colin, you're making a mistake. You'll regret cutting us out of your life. Colin, please. We'll do anything for you to stay, please.
You could have done it today by respecting my fiancé, but you didn't. Maybe next time you'll think twice before judging someone.
Well, it's our own fault.